Nervously, the booby hen rises, exposing the chick. Instantly, the crabs dart in to seize the newly hatched victim.
Oh, merde.
But this time, the
Oh,
action does not
no.
follow the usual plot. The booby parents counterattack. Even the crab's hard carapace is insufficient defense against the rapid-fire thrust
hate
of the
you.
booby's powerful beak.
Run, cowards!
Oh, fat man, please! This is getting awkward.
No. You are no match for me!
You suck!
Ah!
I require
I am going
assistance!
to kill you, and kill you!
Unerringly,
Why don't we
the
just
booby's
give up,
beak has
partner?
found the chink in the crab's armor. Its damaged claw the price of the ill-fated attack on the nest.
You are all incompetent cowards!
This
Gentlemen,
crab, also badly hurt, simply performs a quick battlefield surgery, amputates its own claw.
let's settle this like gentlemen! Oh!
It will be regenerated in the next several molting cycles.
This will be the last time you see me.